arcades were like Sean Ford Stark and an arcade embarking to shape the video game industry. If there's one mascot that think it's me, let's watch you clock out a mock speed running away from my Hedgehog stop spree. Notice how I flip the intro bro spits, bring a hell for greater than the one of 06. It's a great gaming race and you're getting laughed. How you tend to be a fast when you are crap on the track. I burn your prop when I'm through with you. The one who see your true colors, black and blue. I'm a problem whose business rise. The crushed out content your franchise provides. My big red one, so you'll see soon. And you still blow up with one sonic boom.
The blue blur speeding around, storming your car, screwing the street rat, crawling in the sewers of New York. You jump around on the ground, the streets round the king. But if you want to win the princess, the secret is rings. You trash from the past, you gotta go fast. With all my pals, we got the Dreamcast. While you're alone with a toad and a cowardly bro, I stepped out the game because you're too slow. Now I'll show you with the speed of light how to spin dash attack, how my lyrics will rise. I've been taking first place since my creation. I've been crushing fat man for a generation. Or taxidermies, you can get your fly as a coon, but you're just a subspecies who's high on shrooms. Devour all your power-ups, you'll still be beat. If you are what you eat, then say hello to my feet.
Mamma mia! With this abuse, I'm gonna give kids a real reason to sue. You ain't living my shadow, blowing me as the bull. I just wanted to roll, he'll drive you in the fast food. Sega will be nothing else one trick rat. And his spammer's more annoying than Big the Cat. So that never fits the game in Godfather son. Cause the Mario's always number one.
Mary's going missing, that's the best that you got. Meanwhile, I'm taking bites from Nintendo's metal pot. Spin chaos on the biggest salad from Japan. Flatten this crumble like paper, so you better jump in. This so your title since they're all the same. Although you're harder than I did at the Olympic Games. But now I got you choking like you went down the wrong pipe. Well, that's what happens when you front the fastest thing alive.
Game over! Choose your character. Video game rap battle!
Hey everyone, Cam here. Thank you so much for checking out the video. As always, if you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe for more and check out the song on iTunes. It's always appreciated. I also want to take the time to say a huge thank you to Slim Play. He's an insanely talented animator who has spent months producing this video for me. He deserves so much love, and it would mean the world if you just check out his own amazing animations on his channel. I can't thank him enough, and thank you guys again for watching.